So see now, next numerical is a 600 picofarad capacitor is charged by a 200 volt supply. It is then disconnected from the supply and it is connected to the another uncharged 600 picofarad capacitor. How much electrostatic energy is lost in this process? Okay. See here, initially they are giving a capacitor and it is connected to a supply. Okay. So what is the supply value? 200 volt supply, and capacitor value C1, I will take it as C1, that is 600 picofarad. So this one is case 1. Okay. And case 2, here from the and it is disconnected from the supply. Okay. It is disconnected from the supply and here they are connecting and it is connected to the another uncharged 600 picofarad. Here they are not charging. So this is uncharged capacitors. This one is C2 and C1 is again 600 picofarad only. Okay. So now they are asking how much electrostatic energy is lost in this process. Okay. So electrostatic energy. So energy loss they are asking. Okay. So here we will get two energies. So initial energies and final energies, and we need to minus the initial energies and final energies. Okay. So here data they have given C1 is 600 picofarad and C2 also 600 picofarad and V is 200 volt. Okay. So initially case 1, so case 1 condition, so we need to calculate the energy. So what is the energy equation? U is equal to half C V square. Okay. So U is equal to half, so I will take it as C1 here. So C1, what is C1 value? So 600 into pico means 10 to the power of minus 12 into V square. Okay. V square. So V square I will substitute here only. So at the final I will substitute the value of V. Okay. If you substitute here also it is not problem. Okay, but for simplification I will substitute this V square at the final. Okay, so here 2 ones are, so 2 3s are, so U is equal to, it will becomes, so 300 into 10 to the power of minus 12 V square. Okay, so I will take it as energy 1 or U. Okay, both are same only. So this is the case 1. So here next one, case 2. See case 2, here they are not giving any voltage value. We need to calculate the voltage value here. But here voltage, see here both the capacitors are same only. Here, so C1 value is also same and C2 value is also same. I will take it as C. Okay. Since the capacitors is same and the voltage becomes half of the initial value. Okay. So voltage becomes V by 2. Okay. So now again E2 or U is equal to, we need to calculate. So here I will get two energies. So one is due to the C1, another one is due to the C2. Okay. So that is half C1 V dash square plus half C2 V dash square. Okay. So now here C1 and C2 value is equal to C only. It will become half C V dash square plus half C V dash square. Okay. So that is equal to, here two terms are there. That's why. So 2 times of C V dash square, here 2 to get cancelled and C V dash square. Okay. So E2 value is C V dash square. So that is equal to C into, what is the value of V dash? V dash is V by 2 whole square. So that is equal to, it will become C into V square divided by 4. Okay. So it will becomes 1 divided by 4 C V square. Okay, so that is equal to 1 divided by 4 into, what is the value of C here? So again C value, so 600 into pico means 10 to the power of minus 12 into V square. So V square means, so I will substitute later. Okay, so here, so 2 2s are, so 2 3s are, it will get cancelled. So you will get E2 value as, so E2 value finally you will got 150 into 10 to the power of minus 12. 150 into 10 to the power of minus 12 V square. Okay. So this is the required E2 value. But here we need to calculate the, so change in energy. Okay. Change in energy is given by delta E. Okay. So here delta E is equal to question mark initially. Delta E is equal to question mark, you need to calculate. Okay. So here it will becomes E1 minus E2. So previously I told I need to multiply it by V square. Okay. So what is the value of E1 here? So E1 is, so 300 into 10 to the power of minus 12 minus E2 is 150 into 10 to the power of minus 12 into, so V square. Okay, what is V square? So 200 square. Okay, so that is equal to 300 minus 150 is, so 150 into 10 to the power of minus 12 into V square means, so 400, again double zeros, it will become 40,000. Okay, so here if you simplify this one, so finally you will got say 6 into 10 to the power of minus 6 joule. Okay, so this is the required change in the energy.